Today, I am going to be modifying my Cub Cadet with, oh, not coming off, here, there, this piece. Currently I have this, and I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. Just cause it's a weak point on the system when I have this, cause it breaks it, and I don't feel like doing that anymore. So, it still works. I mean, I can still bring it down. I mean, it's still in perfect condition. I just hate that, you know, the way it looks. So, if I put one of these in here, which I just had to drill out a little bit, put in positive, negative, then I'll have this piece in here, and I can just go and use a regular one of these. So that's what I'm doing right now. I will need some parts and equipment. So I need some heat shrink connectors. I'm gonna need snips, crimpers, heat shrink gun. Just in case I did more. Heat shrink gun. And some band pliers, which are right here. I have 2 sets. I love them that much. I did forget. I also need this. The different piece on there. I need this on there, and we're good. That should do it. Gotta take the backing off. And it's got heat shrink on it. That's right. Because I did it over. I did it the right way. Places. Oh, now you can see it. So I just need to take this piece off. There we go. I can pop this through. Pop this through, cut it, drill the hole out, put the new piece in, and that's it. I will say one thing I did grab, my micrometer, because I need to see what size hole that is. So let's do that quickly. So about 7/8 would be great. So we're looking at 7/8. Or I'll look on here and see what the closest I have is. 7/8. I could do a 7/8. Ooh, I could do a 13/16. Which, if I kick back down, exactly what this actually needed. Well, well, well. Look at this. 13/16 would make this fit snug as a bug. You think I used too big of a tool? I mean, it is pretty beefy for what I'm doing around the house, but I'd rather go big than go small.
That's what she said.
They don't call me the lawn push for nothing.
And there it is. I think. There it is. Excellent. Now I just gotta get the screws ready on the sides, and that'll be easy. All right, we're good. That one's off a little bit, but once I put everything on, it'll look good. Just like, there it is. This is much easier, so bloop, and then I don't have to worry about it popping. So awesome. All right, we're good. So put this piece on. Got the wires down here that I need to push back in. It goes on there like this. Super easy. Not being used. Popped on there. This I switched. Went ahead and cut it. I'll fix this piece right here. Make sure it's good and secure and safe. Obviously it's got to be wrapped around this way because it goes out that way because that's where the front is. So I'll have to secure this part right here. But other than that, we're good to go. So once that's in, you can hear it. It's pumping. This thing should be golden now. All right, so that is my Cub Cadet modified again. I think this will work out better because that way if I can just buy a new cord and I have to modify the cord, except cutting it and fixing it on the other end. But other than that, hope you got something out of it. This is always a evolution with the Cub Cadet, doing different things with it. So, all right, well, you guys watch another one. Yeah. All right, guys. Yeah. But you tell Cub Cadet that I need about $5,000 more. Okay. Yeah. Call them now. I'm not posting this video unless they give me more money. Okay? All right. Well, I'm going to get an Arnold Palmer.
They don't call me the lawn pusher for nothing.